Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to transform name list like this into different column in name column and salary column. Okay, let's start. So first of all, just let me delete this. We don't copy and paste like this, so we don't do that. Okay, so first of all, just select the data right here. Okay, select all your data right here. Press Control G. Okay, press Control G and then it pop up like this and click special button. And then we select the constant here and we want to copy all the text. So we only keep text selected. Okay, and then it select only text. So we Control C and then you see all text right here. So we just Control V right here. And again, select it, Control G, special. This time we take only number, the rest we don't take it, the number. And then it's select only number. Okay, Control C to copy and Control V to paste. Okay, that's it. Very easy and very fast. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.